Welcome to this 15-minute full body yoga flow. We will alternate between classic yoga asanas and some strengthening exercises for nice full body stretching and strengthening workout. Let's begin in reclined bound angle position. Lay down on the back. Bring the soles of the feet together and open your knees wide. Place your hands on your lower belly. Feel free to close your eyes for a moment. And take 3 big full breaths. Inhale, expanding your rib cage and belly. Exhale, soften, release the breath out. Inhale, create more space. And exhale, draw the ribs and navel in. One more round, big breath in. And a full breath out. Open your eyes and get ready for some ab work. Place your hands behind your head for support. Flatten your lower back down into the mat. Inhale here and exhale, crunch up, lift your shoulders from the floor. Inhale, lower, exhale, lift. Keep going with the breath. In your own tempo, around 6 to 8 rounds here. The lower back keeps pressing down into the floor. Keep the elbows wide. Just one more round. And release your head. Bring your knees together, feet flat on the mat. Cross your left ankle over your right knee. Bring your left hand behind your head for support and reach your thumb back along the ear for side crunches. Inhale here. Exhale, twist to the left, right arm past left knee. Inhale, release, and exhale, lift and crunch. Keep working with your breath, trying to lift up a little higher each time. Let's do one more. And release your head down. Keep the cross of the legs. Try to catch behind your right thigh or even behind your right shin. Draw your legs closer towards you for a nice hip stretch. Take another breath here. And then keeping the cross of the legs, let your legs fall to the right. Try to bring your left foot flat to the floor. Catch your left ankle with your right hand and stretch your left arm out to the side for a twist variation. Gently press your left knee away from you, and you may also feel the hip stretch here, somewhere on the outer hip, on the glutes. Bring your legs back to center. Cross your right ankle over the left and get ready for side crunches. Inhale down and exhale, twist to the right, reach your left arm past your right knee. Moving with the breath. With each exhale, lift your chest up higher. Lower back pressing down. Great job. Release. Draw your legs closer and catch behind your left thigh. Just another breath or two here. and lower your legs to the left for a twist. Catch your right foot or ankle with your left hand and stretch your right arm out to the side. Stay in for a few breaths in this twist variation. Bring your body back to center. Draw your knees to the chest, make yourself into a little ball and roll up to make your way into tabletop position, hands and knees. Place your hands underneath your shoulders, knees hip distance apart, and keep your toes tucked for this one. On the inhale, pull your chest forward, shoulders back. Exhale, press the floor away, draw your navel into the spine. Inhale, arch the back. Exhale, round as much as you can. One more inhale. And exhale. Come back to neutral position and lift your knees from the floor, just a few centimeters. Option to just stay here, or if you want a little bit more heat, straighten your right leg back parallel to the floor. Just a breath here. And bring your right toes back, straighten your left leg back, hold. Release your toes down, one more breath in center. And press your hips up into downward facing dog. Press your left heel to the floor, bend your right knee. And switch, press your right heel down, left knee bent. Straighten the legs and drop your knees down into child's pose for a few rounds of mini chaturanga push-ups. With your next inhale, come up to your hands and knees, shoulders above the wrists. Exhale, bend your elbows back, lower halfway down. Inhale, press up, straighten the arms. Exhale, sit back to your heels. Inhale, roll forward. Exhale, bend the elbows close to the ribs. Inhale, press up. Exhale, sit back. 3 more like this. Keep moving with your breath. Slow, controlled transitions. One more round. And then from child's pose, roll forward to your hands. Sink your hips down towards the floor, lift up through the chest. Shake the hips side to side, twist to one side and then another. And slowly lower down to your belly. Hands next to your ribs for mini cobras. Press the tops of the feet into the mat. With your next inhale, lift your chest, pull your shoulders back. Exhale, release down. Inhale, lift using the strength of your back muscles. And exhale, release. 3 more, keep going. Inhale, pull your elbows back. Exhale, release. Inhale a little higher. And release. Last time, inhale. And exhale. Bend your knees, reach your arms back without catching your feet. And then lift your upper body, lift your knees, reach back with your fingertips, The back of the body really engaged. You should feel your back, glutes, hamstrings working. Lift the knees a little higher, lift your chest a little higher. Take one more inhale. And exhale, release down, hands next to your ribs, and press yourself back into child's pose. Then walk your hands to the left for a side stretch. You can place your right hand on top of the left one if you like. Take one big breath. And switch sides, walk your hands to the right, reach your left arm far forward and breathe. Come back to center and make your way to your downward facing dog. From here, step your right foot forward into lunge, drop your left knee down and reach your arms up to the sky. Lift your chest, lean slightly back and release your hips towards the ground. One more big inhale. Exhale, circle your arms down, stretch the front legs and your hips back into half split. Lower your upper body over the front leg. Bend your front knee again. Step back into downward facing dog. And bring your left foot forward into lunge. Reach your arms up to the sky. One more inhale. Exhale, hands down, straighten the front leg. A few breaths in half split, stretching the back of the leg. Rebend your front knee, step back to downward facing dog. Widen your feet a bit and make your downward facing dog a little shorter. Reach your right arm back to catch your left ankle or shin, twisting to the left. Release your right hand down and switch. Reach your left arm back, catch your ankle, shin. Release your left hand down. Take one more big breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Lower your knees down to the mat. Point your feet and sit down to your heels. Roll your shoulders back and interlock fingers behind the back. Lift your chest up, pull your hands away from the body and down towards the floor. Maybe your knuckles even reach the mat. A few deep breaths into the front of the chest and shoulders. Release your hands, sit up tall. Hands on the sides, close your eyes. Inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. Exhale, palms together to your heart. Thank yourself for showing up on your mat today, for taking good care of your body and mind. Put a smile on your face and softly open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed this quick practice and you feel as energized as I am after these 15 minutes. I wish you a great day and see you in the next video. Bye!